Hey guys, Miss Delito here. Today we're going to take a look at finding scale factor. So remember that scale factor is the number by which we are multiplying the sides in our original figure to get the new side lengths in our scaled copy. So we're going to start by looking at corresponding side lengths. So we're going to look at 6, and this corresponds with 24 in our scaled copy. They're in the same place in both figures. So we want to think to ourselves, 6 times what, or 6 times what is going to give us 24? Okay. We can think about the same thing in the other corresponding side lengths in our figure. So 2.5 here corresponds with 10. And again, we want to think to ourselves, 2.5 times what is equal to 10? We know that 6 times 4 gives us 24, and 2.5 times 4 gives us 10. Therefore, in this case, our scale factor is 4. This tells us that figure B is 4 times the size of figure A. Example 2 is a little bit different because now our scaled copy, which is E, is smaller than our original figure D. We're still going to find that scale factor the same way. So we're going to look at our corresponding side lengths, so 8 and 2, and 16 and 4, and think what times 16 is going to get us 4, and 8 times what is going to get us 2. Because we might not know readily what 8 times what is going to give us 2, we can think about what relationship we do know. And most of you will notice that we can divide 8 by 4 to get 2, and we can divide 16 by 4 to get 4. When we think about dividing by 4, we know we're cutting into fourths. What that tells us is that figure E is 1/4 of the size of figure D. When we hear that word of in multiplication, in math, it means multiplication. So if E is 1/4 of D, that means 16 times 1/4 and 8 times 1/4 are going to get us our new side lengths. We can take a look at this in another way as well. 8 times 1/4, or 8 over 1 times 1/4, is the same as 8 over 4, which really means 8 divided by 4. So you can see multiplying by 1/4 is the same as dividing by 4. And this proves multiplying by 1/4 will get us to our side length of 2. Same thing with 16 over 1 times 1 over 4. This is the same as 16 over 4, or 16 divided by 4, which gets us to that new side length of 4. So in this case, the scale factor is 1/4. And this means that figure E is 1/4 of the size of figure D.